Welcome to Drops on Elite. So today we'll be talking about this airdrop called the Recall Airdrop. So in this video I'll be showing you the step-by-step guide on how to do this particular airdrop. So please, if you're yet to subscribe to our channel, please you do it to subscribe to this channel. Okay, so now this particular airdrop, they have raised up to $30 million for this airdrop, so it's a very huge one that you can jump into. So now in the course of this video, I'm moving from one link to another. All these links is going to be down there in the description. So now so the first thing you have to do here is you have to connect using your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so once you connect using your MetaMask wallet, then head over to this place and then click on account. So now here now you have to add a referral code. Okay, so my referral code is here, so you have to add it here for you to be able to generate your own code. Without doing this, you cannot proceed. Okay, so you have to do this first before you could be able to continue with other tasks you have here in this airdrop. Now this is your own referral code. Okay, now after you're done with this, next thing you're going to do is head over to this place and click on the dashboard. Okay, now here now we have so many tasks that we have to complete. Okay, but first let's start with the first one here, which is completing tasks on Galxe. So now here you have to come over here, then click on this. So if you click here, you're going to get to this page. Now here in this Galxe, first thing you have to do first, you have to follow them. Without following them, you are not yet on with this, so you have to follow them first. Now after you're done with the following, then we have 3 quests for us to complete here, but for now we just have only 2 for now. So you click on this first one. So now all these quests, they are very easy to do. So most of them are like social tasks, like connecting your your Twitter, your Discord, and then retweeting. So you just do these things and then you claim your points immediately. So now that's what we have to do in this Galxe. Now the next one we have here is that completing tasks here in Zealy. Okay, so once you click on this place, now you're going to get to this the Zealy page. Now here you have to complete all these tasks. They are very quite easy to do, so ensure that you claim your point once you are done with each one. And then also take note here, they have daily challenge here. That means you have to come back here daily to complete the the quest as well too. So now that's all for this particular one. Now next thing we have to do here is we have to claim role in Discord, OG role, and then the Genesis role. Now head over to their Discord page here. Now here, once you come over here, first thing you have to do that you have to verify. Now once you are done with the verification, then head to this role section, and then here now we have to claim this access and this gaming rule. Okay, so now as you can see, I have already added it to my own. So now add this rule, these 2 rules. Now as regards to this OG rule, now this OG rule is over. It's for those early users. So for now we only have access to claim the Genesis rule. Now for you to be able to have access to the Genesis, we have to at least engage in activities here in the Discord page. So but for you being able to have these 2 rules, we can be able to be able to claim this rule one day. So the next we have here is submitting an AI agent. So now once you click on it, you're going to get to this place. So now here you have to refer an agent. Okay, so now to do this, all you need to do here is that first you have to submit your wallet address. So head over to your MetaMask wallet and then copy your wallet address, and then once you copy it, then you paste it here. Now you then have to complete these few ones by submitting the handles of the agents, and then you give reasons why you think they will be a suitable one for them. Now just once you're done with it, you just have to submit. Down. That's all you have to do for this particular one. Now the last one is ensure that you claim your badges once you have completed each quest. Okay, so that's all for this video. So please, if you have any question, you do it to ask there in the comment section, and also please support us by subscribing to this channel if you're yet to subscribe. So now that's all, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thank you.